In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist emails for task creation using emails in Asana. This is a great way to streamline your task management and ensure that you never miss an important email that could be turned into a task. So, let's dive right in. First, what you need to do is click on your profile icon, which you'll find conveniently located at the top right corner of Asana's interface. It's that little circle or image that represents you, so it's quite easy to spot. Go ahead and give it a click. Once you've clicked on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to select Settings. This is where all your personal account configurations are stored. So, click on that Settings option, and you'll be navigating your way toward where we need to go next. Now that you're in the Settings menu, it's time to head over to the Account tab. This is where you can manage various aspects of your Asana workspace configuration. You'll find the Account tab among the options, and selecting it will bring you to a new window filled with account-related options. In this account section, you'll have the opportunity to manage emails for your Asana workspaces. This is the heart of making sure that emails are correctly whitelisted to create tasks. Here you can take the liberty to add additional emails if you need to merge your accounts, or if you're looking to switch from personal to professional accounts. It's as straightforward as inputting your new email information and confirming it. Once you've successfully added a new email, it's time to move on to another important step. Head over to the Email Forwarding tab. This tab is crucial for the task creation process. Inside, you'll have the control to select the workspaces that this newly added email will be able to create tasks and messages for. Essentially, this step allows you to whitelist that email, granting it specific permissions to send emails to Asana and convert them into tasks seamlessly. And just like that, you've gotten to grips with whitelisting emails for task creation in Asana. This process is not only simple to execute, but also a fantastic way to ensure your workflow remains organized and efficient. By correctly setting up these emails, you enhance your project management capabilities, making sure tasks are created directly from crucial communications as they come in. And there you have it, the full rundown on whitelisting emails for task creation using Asana. I hope this has made your task management life just a little bit easier. Stay organized and efficient, and I'll see you in the next video.